I will show how I went from temperature as high as 96 degrees Celsius 205 Fahrenheit to 60 degrees Celsius 140 Fahrenheit. Sorry for the low quality video. I don't have a working computer these days. This video was shot and edited on a backup system with not so high specs. The small 3D printed mount for I downloaded off the internet and link to the STL file in the description below. Whole assembly weighs just 126 grams. I only used minimum screws required to keep the weight at minimum. Testing for any issues before mounting on the router itself. In case you are wondering, the airflow is away from the router, fans are acting as exhaust.